Okay, hello and welcome to the Peninsula London. I'm going to give you a quick tour of my hotel room, which is room number 220. It's a premier suite. This hotel opened in late 2023 after many years of construction, cost over £1 billion to develop. Room rates famously start £1,300 a night, so people come here with sky-high expectations of a luxury experience. Right, so into the bedroom straight away. I just want to mention the functionality you find with Peninsula rooms. They've got really intuitive, easy tech, which is great. It's just simple to be in these spaces. You're not rummaging around a lot for light switches or anything like that. You've got this additional control panel right by the bed. That's a phone to the right. The bedroom itself, at least in this room category, is very, very minimalist. It is very comfy. I slept really well last night. No complaints on that score. Entering into the living room area, nice plush cameras underfoot. Here again is what I mean about the simplicity and easiness of the room. So they've got signage indicating what's behind each drawer. This is one that I find a little bit unusual. They have a multi-functional printer in each room. I can't imagine many people use it, but they'll obviously know much better than me. There's a little artwork on display. Let's see the view. I may have mentioned, I forget, but we're very close to Hyde Park and Buckingham Palace, close to all of Knightsbridge, and you can walk to Mayfair from here as well. So it's between the two central upmarket districts in the city centre. Walking into the walk-in wardrobe, it's finished in mahogany. I want to show you the safe. It's much bigger than a regular safe, and I think that's an interesting reflection of how many expensive things a usual Peninsula London customer is likely to own when they come here. Entering the bathroom, this is my favorite space in the suite. I'm not sure if you can fully tell on my phone as I record, but it's finished in a really beautiful honey-colored onyx that is very lustrous and fancy and just looks really, really classy. Toiletries are the Peninsula's own brand, so it's got the same packaging in each property, but the composition and fragrance is different. So this edition is by a fragrance curator called Timothy Han, and it's cotton, smoke, and wood. Those are the fragrance profiles apparently, and it smells very nice. You can get the radio playing while you're having a bath. Here's that bat again. Nice flower. There I am. Jewel vanities on display here, and just one more control panel to show you if I can figure out how to open the door. So they have a Japanese style toilet. Just starts making noise like that when you go in, with this very, very detailed control panel that extends far beyond your regular Toto toilet interface. So that's it. That's a view of or a review or a tour of my premier suite at the Peninsula London Hotel. One final note is that I work as a travel advisor and I book hotel rooms like this. So if you're interested in a stay, you can feel free to contact me through the details below, and often these stays are provided with perks and benefits and additional amenities that you don't get online. There you have it. That's the Peninsula London Premier Suite, room 220.